Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're logged into your Vivamax account. This saves time when redeeming. Once logged in, locate the voucher code. Copy it exactly, including hyphens. Make sure the voucher hasn't expired and that it applies to subscriptions or credits, otherwise you'll see an error. If you have multiple accounts, decide which one to use now, because vouchers often tie to one account only. Save the code to clipboard for fast pasting in the next step. Now go to Account, then choose Redeem or Payments. This is where Vivamax accepts voucher codes. Paste the code from your clipboard into the Redeem box. Once done, click Redeem or Apply so the system validates it. If the site asks, select whether to apply the credit to subscription or wallet balance and review the shown value or new expiration. Make sure it matches expectations. After confirming, wait for the success message and check your balance or subscription page to verify the change. Finish by starting a video or checking subscription features to confirm the voucher took effect. This proves you now have the credited access. Also review your billing history to see the voucher line item. That gives a receipt if needed. If redemption fails, don't panic. Double-check you entered the code exactly, confirm the voucher's expiry and eligibility, and try a different browser or clear cache. If problems persist, contact Vivamax support with the code and screenshot for prompt resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.